Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, today we kind of have a treat, okay? We've got the CRKT Razel GT here on the channel. A while ago we brought the other Razel, and of course I had lots of problems with it. Is this upgraded one any better? We'll find out here in a sec. Now, as you know by CRKT, they always put out stuff. So in this one, they really want you to take a look at their KISS, designed by Ed Halligan. Alright, get that out of the way. So, here it is. Here is the Razel GT. I really like the fact that they ditched the lock system. I really like the fact that this one has no problem with the liner lock, because the last couple I got, we had all kinds of problems. I did like all of the upgrades that they've done to this thing. And I still like the fact that they kept the same chisel profile to it, which I thought was awesome. So you can use it as an everyday carry, you can use it as a craft blade, gardening blade, whatever. It's got multi-purposes to me. Now let's get into the stats, the figures, and everything else like we always do. This is still a John Graham design with an overall length of about 7.56 inches. The blade's about 3.02 with a cutting surface of 3.5. Now I know you're going, how is that possible? Remember, secondary blade adds to the cutting surface. Closed, it's about 4.60, and it comes in with a weight of about 4.30 ounces. Now, I've seen this listed as two different kinds. Some people have it as a Warncliffe style, other people have it as a chisel. That's what it looks like to me, as a chisel blade. But still, you make up your decision on that, okay? We do have plain edge on both, the blade surfaces, with a hollow grind and a satiny finish. You guys on my channel know how much I love that satin finish. The blade steel is 8CR13 MOV. We have a stainless steel frame with a liner lock. Now, I do like the fact that it has a spring-assisted opening with the IKBS system. So that's going to reduce the wear and tear on the pivot and give you a buttery smooth opening like that. I just love it. Only one way to carry this thing that I have found, because the screw's there, nothing over there, is right-hand carry tip up. We do have a lanyard hole back here if you need to, little smashy pommel. I haven't tried that out yet, so I don't know how long it's going to last you. And yes, it is made in China. Alright, let's get some cut tests going on this guy. Now, we usually only do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do those cut tests. First up, as always, heavy-duty stock paper. Ooh, not good. See that right there? Needs to be stropped. Alright, see if we can get a curlicue. Yeah. Not the greatest, but still. Probably because it needs to be stropped. Lots of snowfall on that blade too. I mean, just, of course I bumped that. You can see it right there and right there. Lots of snowfall. Alright, the River's Revenge. Paracord. Pull. Not great, but not bad. And a slice. A little jaggedy, probably because it needs to be stropped badly. And Mr. Ratchet Strap. Pretty good. Alright, let's take a look at the blade like we usually do. Of course, it cleans up all the snowfall, but still. Okay. So, I did the homework and everything else on this on November 22nd, 2021. It is currently November 23rd, 2021. I found it in 3 different locations: Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's $49.99. On CRKT, $69.99. And on Amazon, $49.99. And it is Prime eligible. On Blade HQ, it's been reviewed once, and it's got a 5 out of 5 star rating. Has yet to be reviewed on CRKT, and over on Amazon it's been reviewed 18 times for a 4.2 out of 5 star rating. Now we're at the best part of the video to me. Seriously, I love this more than anything else in my videos. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this upgrade to the Razel is a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I really want to know. I like this a lot more than I like the original, especially after they dumped the lock system. The Lake and Walker knife safety system, for those of you who don't know. Those things always just seem to get in my way at times, but that was just me. Okay? Now, if any point during this video I made you laugh, made you cry, made you cringe, made you do anything, hit that big old thumbs up, please. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and let YouTube know people are watching this video and you guys like it. It'll help get that insanity out there to some other people. We're growing. I'd like to grow more, and you can help by hitting that big old like. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you are viewing this video. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, my question's about to be, well, why not? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see what we can do to put it in use into a future video. Okay, now after you've done all that free stuff, I know I'm asking a lot, all right? But still, take a look right down there in that corner. In just a couple moments, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Please, go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. One click, easy access. After you've knocked that out the park, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads brand new videos. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. This has been my quick tabletop look at the CRKT Razel GT. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are having a safe day, a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in our next video.